everyone, my name is Riya Kashi from class 10th and today my topic is pH. So what is pH? It shows the different color of the different substance according to the concentration of H plus ion. It means it changes the color, shows the color according to the concentration level of H plus ion. It shows the substance we are testing is acid, base or neutral in nature. So this is the pH scale in which we test the substance is acid or base. So pH scale is from 0 to 14. From 0 to 7 there is acidic nature. Means when we test some acid on this pH scale, it gives a red color because of more presence of hydrogen ions or more concentrations of hydrogen ion. And from 7 to 14 it gives a blue color. It's in base. From 7 to 14 it's considered as a base. And on the center 7 value that is neutral, means green color. That means not much more hydrogen ion or not less. Means RHS side it give a red color, LHS side it give a blue color, and in the center it gives a green color. So there is some substance. When we test this substance on pH paper, what color they should give and what is their nature. So when we taste vinegar in pH paper, it give a red color because it is acidic in nature. Then tomato, oxalic acid, means also red color. Then turmeric acid, then also red color. Lemon, citric acid, then also red color. And lemon का जो citric acid होता है उसका pH value होता है 2.2, means here. Then curd, lactic acid, means also red color. Then milk of magnesia, it is base in nature, so it gives a blue color and its pH value is 10, means here. Milk of magnesia, base nature, MgOH, and its pH value is 10, means here. Then next OH, it is also in base in nature, so it is also give blue color and its pH value is 14, means here, means it is very strong base. Then next is pure water. Pure water is neutral in nature and also human blood is neutral. Its pH value is 7.4, means something here, it gives a green color. Now there is one question, how we identify the pH. So pH is identified with universal indicator. It is in paper which dipped in any substance. By its color it shows its pH. Means when we put any substance in that pH paper, what color should it give? From that color we know that the substance nature. So the next topic is uses of pH in our daily life. What is the uses of pH in our daily life? So first is our stomach produce HCl, which pH value is 1.2. When we eat some more food, then it leads to the acidity. In this case, we have to take antacid or ENO. ENO is a mild base. It neutralizes the acidity. Then second is our body work between the pH 7 to 7.8. If the pH of rain goes less than 5.6, is considered as an acid rain. Then fourth is our tooth start decaying when the pH of mouth is less than 5.5. For its prevention, we have to brush daily in a morning and a night also. And we have to use that toothpaste which is mild base because 5.5 means the pH value is here. Here, RHS side means it gives a red color. So fifth is also a plant needs a specific pH for their healthy growth. So this is all about pH, the universal indicator.